Hi, how long have you been a patient of Dr. Walker's?
Well, I'm 26 years old, and I think my first tooth came in around age 2, so I'd say about 24 years.
And how happy are you with their services?
I'm pretty thrilled. I know everybody here. I've been coming for so long. Just I love to see everybody and catch up with them. They do a great job cleaning my teeth, and they remind me to floss every time. And one of these days, it's gonna stick.
What would you say your most favorite part of the experience here is?
Oh, seeing everybody I know, for sure. I'm a little too old for the toys now. I used to love getting the toys out of the little toy chest. Yeah, I don't think they ever gave me candy, but at this point, just seeing everybody and catching up, and my whole family comes here, so hearing about whatever sibling was here most recently, and just having a good time talking to people.